These socks. I think I'm ready. Hello! My mom is here visiting for a few weeks and we're gonna go to Joshua Tree. I just finished packing and they're gonna pick me up in like 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna wrap everything up and then let's go. Kobe, we're here. We have arrived. 또 신났어.
Go get it, go get it.
We caught him. Almost ran away. Kobe, why'd you run like that? This the view. House tour. Next room. Tour of the outside area. I think this is the s'mores fire pit. Got a little hammock. Barbecue. Oh. Okay, so this is what sold me on this Airbnb with my brother. It's an ice bath. Cozy. Nice. Welcome to my crib. Twins. Twins. 이거?
갑자기 왜 안 해주나 했더니 저거 찍는
어우.
뉴 토이 참 좋아해.
어우.
Wow. Mommy making 미역국.
뭐해?
미역국.
이거 봐.
어머. 어머. You landed on it though?
AI야.
It's AI. It's boiling. 아니, I have to expose you.
야야야.
좀 패딩 좀 해.
I'm trying to.
너무 하얗잖아. 아니 근데 이 양말까지 바지 내려. 아니 옆에는 왜 또 잘렸어? Why is it so?
Oh my god. I
아
almost pulled it out.
센스해야 될 것 같아. 이렇게 할게 이렇게. Okay, where's your top from?
Mizuno.
Okay.
Mizuno singlet.
나 하트 가리고 있어.
Oakley sunglasses.
Uh-huh.
Mizuno racing tights.
Uh-huh.
Racing shorts. Saucony socks.
I'm censoring.
SLs.
Oh, that's cute. New?
SLs. You know what it is.
Y'all think running is cheap? It's not.
Apple
Look at all
Watch.
this gear.
제대로 올리면 안 돼.
올릴 거야?
Push up, buddy. Push up.
Yummy. We're done with dinner, but I wanted to quickly show my skirt. I didn't get to show earlier. It's really pretty, but it's from Glony and it's my first time wearing it, I think. And now we're off to Joshua Tree National Park. It's around sunset, so it's so pretty, but wow, 진짜 예쁘다. 스킬이야, 스킬. 두 개를 한꺼번에 하는 스킬.
맛있어 보이네.
내가 엄마 거도 맛있게
So
구워줄게.
sweet.
How would you like it done? Well done, medium, or rare?
Medium?
Medium? I got you. 이렇게 불이 나면 그냥 부르면 됩니다.
소방차가 옵니다. 삐뽀 삐뽀. 불장난은 위험해요.
불장난. My love is on fire. 이렇게 먹다가 할 거야.
좀 위험하다 저거 종이박스.
Small platter. 오, 너무 데웠어. 바로 graham cracker, chocolate, marshmallow. 뜨거워. 그러면 melting 돼. 그다음에 바로 또 cracker. And s'more. 자,
이렇게 해야지 손으로. 짜라라라. 맛있어요?
잘.
So good.
소시지 구우는 중. 오. 치킨 소스?
Yeah.
하나도 안 구워졌네, 근데? 잠깐만. Good morning. I literally passed out yesterday. Here's Kobe. I get the day started. Luna's Bakery. Apparently it's a popular sourdough place. So. Croissant. We're at the outlet. There's like no one here, so it's so nice. We made it in the opening time at 10 a.m. There's no one here. The last time I came, it was like so packed. So we're gonna be shopping too hard that I forgot to film, but I went into like 3-4 stores, Aritzia, Skims, Got a few things from Skims. The Aritzia here kind of sucks. There's like nothing much. I lost my mom and my brother because I was too focused.